Hello everyone, my name is Thoon and my partner is William. Today, we will be presenting about corrosion. Firstly, let's hear some brief explanation about corrosion from William.
Corrosion is the degradation of materials, typically metals, due to reactions with their surroundings. It is not limited to iron. The most common example we encounter is rust on iron and steel. Affects a wide range of materials, including aluminum, copper, and even concrete. Occurs when a material, usually metal, reacts with elements in its environment, most commonly oxygen and water. Types of corrosion. Uniform corrosion. This is the most common type, where the metal corrodes evenly across its surface. It usually occurs in the form of rust or iron or steel. It's relatively easy to predict and measure. Pitting corrosion. This type is characterized by the formation of small localized pits or holes on the metal surface. It can be particularly dangerous because it leads to the formation of deep cavities that can compromise the integrity of the material. Crevice corrosion occurs in confined spaces or crevices where the corrosive environment is more concentrated. It often affects metals like stainless steel or aluminum that are exposed to stagnant or limited access area. Galvanic corrosion. It happens when two different metals are in contact with each other in the presence of an electrolyte, such as water. The more reactive metal corrodes faster than it would alone, while the less reactive metal is protected.
Now, let me talk about the factors that are influencing corrosion. The first one is high temperature. Well, it can affect atmospheric corrosion and it can also double corrosion activity. Next is followed by humidity. Corrosion is seen more in the places with more humidity as moisture contact increases the rate of oxidation. Increasing pH also causes corrosion as it depends on several different parameters such as temperature, pressure, and the presence of carbonates. Last but not least is ionic species, as steel's corrosion rate maximizes to the normal ionic contact of seawater, and seawater is also known as the most corrosive to steel.
Why corrosion is bad for economy? It leads to the deterioration of infrastructure, equipment, and vehicles, necessitating frequent maintenance and repairs. It shortens the useful life of assets and infrastructure, leading to more frequent replacements and increased life cycle costs. It can reduce the efficiency of machinery and equipment by affecting their performance.
So now here comes the main question. How can we prevent corrosion? The first one is protective coating, as it is a layer to prevent it from being damaged by environmental factors such as corrosion. Next is alloying, because alloying it with chromium gives resistance to oxidation. Followed by cathodic protection, as it is a technique used to control the corrosion of a metal surface by making it the cathodic side of an electrochemical cell. Lastly, the environment plays a significant role in the corrosion process, so by controlling the environment, you can prevent or reduce the rate of corrosion.
Conclusion. In summary, corrosion can strain economic resources by increasing maintenance and replacement costs. Therefore, we need to prevent corrosion by using various methods, such as coating or using corrosion-resistant metals.